Here's my 2-gallon Pico. I have about 4 pounds of live rock that I got in there. There's about an inch or so of sand, maybe a little bit more. I have a little heater in there, and I have a tiny little air pump. This little guy right here runs off USB. It makes 0 sound. I can't hear it at all, but it's giving me really good bubbles. I also have a little pump that's around the back here. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. So I have a little tiny pump here. Right here, this little guy. It's not on, but it runs off USB also. So if I need to give more flow later on, I'm going to be able to do that. So right now I've got it to where that's pretty much its final resting spot. It's mostly going to be polys and zoas. We'll see what else we can fit in here, and this light isn't staying. My coral light is coming, so it should be perfect. Whatever today is probably a week since I've had the stone, so I'll do a water change tomorrow. I've got that running right now here. So I have the pump left from my old tank, my old saltwater tank. So I'll let this work overnight, and tomorrow I'll be able to get this all done, water change. It was clear, I was just kind of messing with the rocks, trying to hide the heater, but if I do that, then the stones are too high, and I don't think the zoas are going to like that too much. So we'll leave it like this, and I'll probably put like a pulsing xenia or something in that little spot right there. Alright, just wanted to show my Pico tank. It is saltwater, and it's just in a 2-gallon cookie jar I got from Walmart for 12 or 13 bucks. And I have a little cleaner. I'm trying to hide it back there. Alright, I will keep you posted